Hello everyone, welcome in Ankita's tutorial. In today's class, I am going to teach you HTML heading tags, that is H1 to H6. These tags are used to define different heading levels in HTML program. These are 6 heading levels, that is H1 to H6. H1 displays the text in largest size and mainly used for main headings. The lower levels are used for subheadings. These headings are written within a body tag. So let's start learning. So friends, here I have opened Notepad and in that basic tags are already written. We have to write here title and my title is headings. And start writing body part. So we are using here H1 tag. And whatever the text you want to see on the web browser, that you have to write here. So I am writing here Ankita's tutorial. And close this H1. Save your file. I am writing here heading .html. Click on save. Now go to desktop, open your file and see the output. Ankita's tutorials. This sentence is displayed in the big handwriting and bold also. So this is the use of H1 heading tag. Like this, remaining all tags we will use here. So I'm going to copy this line and pasting here all 6 times. How many has done? I think it is 5. One more required. Now here we will do some required changes, that is H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Same way for closing also we have to write here all the numbers, that is from H1 to H6. Done. Now save it, go to browser and refresh here. Look at this. Ankita's tutorials, this sentence displayed in 6 different sizes. So this is the use of heading tags in HTML. Here I am showing one more tag, that is a pre tag. So title will be pre and in body part I want to write here one pattern. This same pattern I want to see on the web browser, on the website. So our typing of work is finished. We will save this file. Star. My file name will be star.html and location is desktop. Click on save button. File is saved. Now go to desktop and open your star file. What happened? This is my output, but that all stars are displayed on the same line. I want to see in this pattern. So what to do? For this purpose we have pre tag. So write here pre and before body, close body, we have to write here close pre. So we will see on the browser and refresh here. See, this pattern is displayed here. This is the use of pre tag. Pre tag is used to define block of pre-formatted text, which exactly same as written in the editor. Hope you understand this. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.